Have you ever wondered what journalism really is? It's more than just writing articles or presenting the news. Journalism is about uncovering the truth, holding the powerful accountable, and providing a voice to the voiceless. Journalism comes in many forms, from investigative reports that dig deep into issues to breaking news that keeps us updated on current events. But no matter the type, it shares a common goal: to inform and educate the public. Why does this matter? Well, imagine a world without journalists. We'd have no way of knowing about the hidden stories, the injustices, the significant events that shape our world. Journalism shines a light on what's important, and that light helps us understand our society better. Good journalism is like a mirror. It reflects the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. It helps us see the bigger picture, to understand different perspectives, and to make informed decisions. But journalism also faces challenges. Fake news, biased reporting, and censorship can undermine its credibility. That's why it's crucial to support independent and ethical journalism. As consumers, we have a role to play too. Being critical of the information we consume, checking sources, and valuing credible journalism over sensationalism helps maintain the integrity of the news we rely on. In a rapidly changing world, journalism remains a cornerstone of democracy. It empowers us with knowledge, fosters transparency, and connects communities. So, the next time you read an article or watch the news, remember the value it brings. Because journalism isn't just a job, it's a vital public service. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. This is What Z, signing off.